Aosite is an innovative company which specializing in home hardware products for over 30 years. We concentrate on producing household hardware for OEM and ODM services. We believe in working together and upholding craftsmanship, provide product solutions for global customers. Our design teams listen carefully to your requirements and consider the impact of environment and usage on performance. We offer the samples that meet your requested. We believe the power of brands and provide personalized logo and packaging designs. Additionally, we release 2 to 3 new items each year, keeping up with market trends. With advanced production facilities and automated equipment, we guarantee stable quality and efficient production processes for each Aosite product. Each product is manufactured in precise and expert techniques. Additionally, we've set up a lab that follows the European standard N1935, where we carry out thorough safety and durability tests to meet strict EU regulations. This ensures our products are safe and long-lasting, providing you with peace of mind. We focus on OEM and ODM services, ensuring efficient and careful order processing. Choose us for customized products that suit your needs. Contact us now to turn your ideas into reality. Feel free to reach out for inquiries.